Hello, my Christina Lori family and everyone who is new to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and being interested in watching it. So I just wanted to share with you all me using my favorite line art brush, and I'm not just saying that because it is my brush. I genuinely love this brush. I made it based off of my favorite mechanical pencil, the Graph Gear 500 by Pentel in 0.5. I was inspired by the texture of it, the smoothness of it, and I wanted the same kind of feel when I draw digitally. And I'm telling you, this is the best line art brush I have ever used. It's so smooth, and it is just such a beautiful experience overall, and it just really just makes making line art a lot easier for myself and everyone who has bought this brush and tried it out. They love it. They absolutely love the brush, and I decided that I just wanted to share this video of me doing my new line art for this drawing that I recently did. This is actually a drawing I did for a Patreon tutorial that I just posted. It's about me painting and how I paint realistic skin and curly hair. So check that out. It's on my Patreon at patreon.com/Rawsueshii. But I just wanted to share with you all my process of me using this brush and just kind of just share another nice little chill and aesthetically pleasing video for you all to watch. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let you all enjoy this video, and I'll come back in later if I have anything else to say. So enjoy. I just wanted to pop in and give you guys a little bit of tips on how I draw line art and how you can make your line art look a lot better. And for me, I definitely know what made my line art look better was making sure that I use thin and thick lines and just using kind of like the flick of the wrist motion, as you see how I'm doing the eyebrows here, to really, just give that nice flowing effect. So you'll notice this as I continue to do my line art for the rest of this video, and I really hope that me having it in real time will be able to kind of show you visually how I go about my line art, and I use thick and thin lines to create that dynamic look and just to really create a more interesting look when it comes to line art, because I think one of the biggest mistakes when you are first starting out with line art is making the same width of lines. So make sure you're using thick and thin lines, and preferably on some of the curves, for example the cheeks, or on the lips. I'll have thick and thin areas just to have that dynamic look to it. So I hope that as you watch this in real time, my visual representation of me drawing in real time will show you how I do it. And you can see right here how I kind of would go back over some areas to make some parts of it a little bit thicker and and I'll even go in sometimes with a razor if I need to make some parts a little bit more thin. But notice how I make that side of the cheek a little bit thicker than I do for the chin. So yeah, those were the little tips that I had to add, and I hope that the rest of this video, being in real time, will just kind of help you guys see how I use my line art brush to draw the line art for my characters and all of my pictures. So yeah, you guys, let me know down in the comments below what you guys think, and continue to enjoy the rest of this video. Alrighty, you guys, so that was the video. I hope you all enjoyed watching me use my favorite line art brush ever. Yes, you guys, I literally love this brush. It's my favorite brush. I made it with love, and I hope that you all enjoyed it and that it satisfied you watching my process. And if you're interested in getting this brush, it's available on my Patreon, on my sushi roll tier, or my sushi platter tier at patreon.com/rawsueshii, or you can get this brush on my website at rawsueshii.com. All the links will be down in the description below. So thank you all so much for watching. Also, you guys, make sure to check out my description for a free coloring page just for you, because I love you guys and I appreciate you all so much for your support. So thank you all once again so much for watching. Love you all so much, and I will see you all on my next video. Peace, love, and God bless, my loves. Bye.